Have you ever considered the secret messages nature whispers through its creatures? In 2014, along the shores of Costa Rica, a curious event stirred both awe and intrigue. Amidst a typical starry night, an unusual flurry of activity broke the tranquility as loggerhead sea turtles emerged en masse. Their unexpected nocturnal nesting behavior, happening days earlier than usual, puzzled environmentalists. Little did anyone know, this peculiar timing foreshadowed an incoming coastal storm, demonstrating their instinctual foresight. With the storm hitting the very shores they nested, the turtles' silent symphony served as a crucial warning from the depths of nature itself.